Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to download and use PureRef. PureRef is a fantastic tool for organizing images and creating beautiful mood boards. First, open Google and search for PureRef. I'll also include a link in the video description for convenience. Once you're on the website, download the Windows version. You can also choose to donate to support the creator. After downloading, open PureRef. You can move the PureRef window by holding down the right mouse button. Press Ctrl plus F to make it full screen. If you open File Explorer, select some images and drag and drop them into PureRef. You can arrange them as needed. You can also select an image and move it individually, or select all the images and press Ctrl plus P to organize them automatically. You can even grab an image directly from the web and drag it into the PureRef window. Here are some useful shortcuts. Alt plus Shift, flip images horizontally or vertically. Ctrl plus Shift to rotate images. Ctrl plus Alt, zoom in or out. Use the middle mouse button to zoom in and out as well. To create a note or title, press Ctrl plus N. By right-clicking anywhere in the PureRef window, you can access the settings menu. There you'll find plenty of customization options to explore. Make sure to enable the Embed Local Images in Save File option. If you don't do this, the images will not be saved within your PureRef file, but will only remain on your drive. This means that if you share your PureRef file with someone else, they won't see the images. Also, don't forget to enable autosave to avoid losing any progress. That's it for PureRef. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.